Discover 63 acres of prime land in Richmond County, North Carolina. 3 spacious lots ranging from 14 to 26 acres each. Perfect for your manufactured home or custom build. With gentle rolling hills and mostly cleared terrain, these lots are ready for your vision. A scenic creek flows along the back of each property, while water and electric are available at the road. No restrictions means the freedom to create your ideal homestead or mini farm. Just over an hour from Charlotte, and all lots have passed soil tests. Contact us for more information.